Hi guys. Welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty. I'm still here with my granddaughter Evie.
Yes.
And we are making the men's version of our avocado cucumber soap.
Yes, we are.
Yes, which this is in my oils and butters. I have my avocado and cucumber. I have my heavy cream and my yogurt. And in my lye water, it is a 50-50 mix of aloe vera juice and distilled water. And there is salt and sugar in it. So I gotta stir it up just a little bit. There's some salt stuck on the bottom. And I do discount from my, goggles on. See, my goggles just fell on my face for a reason, right?
I think those are glasses.
Well, glasses, goggles. I still protect my eyes.
Yeah.
You have goggles on.
Yeah.
You have my goggles on. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is 50-50 aloe vera, distilled water, salt, sugar. I think I said it already. I don't know.
And why I wanted to help her make soap is because she makes really pretty soaps. Very pretty.
Yeah, I'm glad that you think so. And you get to take some home.
I do.
Yep, I need Simon.
Yes.
Let's get Simon.
Yeah,
All right, we're going to get this to emulsification and we'll go over the colors and the scent. All right, we are emulsified with lots of bubbles.
And if you're making it, do you think it's hard?
Okay, the colors are activated charcoal, and I usually use French green clay, but I didn't have any. Well, I can't find my French green clay, so I'm using green tea powder, and I had not opened the green tea powder nor had used it, and it looks brown in my container, you guys. So I don't know if this is gonna turn green or not. I've never used it.
Yeah, she has never used it.
Yeah, it wasn't
full soap light.
Yeah, it wasn't open. Okay, let me pour some in the black, and then you can stir the black. Remember, don't go crazy.
Yes, I will not go crazy this time.
Right.
Oh no, some is dripping.
Oops. Let me fix that. Whoop.
Whoopity.
There you go. The scent is a dupe of Ralph Lauren's Polo Black. And you know what? Your grandpa smells amazing in Polo Black.
He does.
And this is the soap he likes to shave with the most. He says this is his favorite soap.
Yeah, and I wish I could have one of those soaps that she's selling, but she said no.
Which one? Oh, you want the chocolate covered strawberry, don't you?
Yes, those look so pretty, and they smell
amazing.
so good. Which if she made one in real life, like a real one, not soap one.
Oh, you want me to make a real one like chocolate covered strawberry cake?
Oh, I mean, if you could.
Okay, let's pour our fragrance in. Most of it's gonna go in here.
Can I?
Yep.
Yeah.
We gotta put some in the green too. Remember.
Like that much? Oh, it
Go
went
ahead.
on the spoon.
That's all right. We're gonna stir it anyway. Put some in there. And then the rest of it you can go in the big bucket. There you go. Okay. Can you put that in the sink?
Put what in the sink?
This and I'll put it in the sink. That way it doesn't get in our way and get broken. Because we definitely don't want it to get broken. See how the sugars can speed up trace? When you're working with food, that happens. Totally normal. The fragrance I used on Tuesday and this fragrance typically slow down trace, so that's helpful to us. Isn't that right, Evie? That's helpful that it slows down trace. Look at that. It was so thick before, and now it's just like, woo! Are we even on camera? I think so. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me make sure this is all mixed in, and we're going to get started.
Whoa, my gloves feel so slippery.
They're also too big for your hands, aren't they?
Yes, and they smell kind of weird.
Yeah, you don't like the scent, do you? Oops, I just knocked your light, guys.
I'm just saying in the next video, it might be tomorrow or today.
Well, if we make another soap, they won't see it till next Friday. Okay, so let me pour. Can you put Simon on the other counter?
Oh, Simon?
Yeah.
This counter? Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Bye,
Thank you.
Simon. Bye.
Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Bye,
We gotta
Simon.
do dishes anyway.
Bye, Simon.
Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing that we did with Black Magic Woman. You gotta get your
Oh.
face out of there.
It's becoming green. Oh,
Yeah, I think it's gonna be green when when it cures. I don't know. I've never worked with
Can
it
I
before.
do the black?
You gotta be very, very careful, sweetheart. I know that you want to like participate. I want you to move it across the mold. You gotta do it fast and do it up high. There you go. We're gonna have to take a chopstick to this one. Maybe.
Maybe. Do I stop?
Nope. Do a little bit more. And put
Done.
okay. Let me get. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, now when I put this in, we'll decide whether or not we need a chopstick.
Ooh, can I use a chopstick?
Whoop, yep, we're gonna need a chopstick.
Yay!
I'm gonna show you. I'll do one way, and then I'm gonna let you do the other way. I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. So you take your chopstick, and you put it in there, and you swirl and swirl and swirl and swirl, and then you just pull this up. Okay. So I'm gonna turn this. Actually, you're in a good position to do it from the other way. So you do it this way. Okay?
So like this?
Yeah, and swirl and swirl and swirl and swirl and swirl and swirl. There you go. And then we're, yep.
But, oh, this feels so hot.
Yeah.
Kind of.
You know why? Because the fragrance heats up. You can put that in the sink. Grab the washcloth to get that soap off of you. Look at that, Evie. You got to do even more than Keaton got to do.
Oh, you did?
You did.
Well, I mean, I love doing so.
I know you do. I'm going to make Evie some of her own melt and pour. We're going to make melt and pour together, guys. I think that's...
That way I can, when I go back home...
Right.
I'm going to have my own room, actually.
Yeah, and then you'll be able to make soap whenever you want to, and it's not going to be dangerous.
Yes. And
That's
I
right.
will need a desk.
Yeah, you will need a desk. Actually, you should always do it in the kitchen. Okay, so we got to spray it with alcohol, and we got to do the same thing that we did with the last soap and wait for it to set up.
Like this one?
Yep. There we go. And I have to put it on the stove, so because the stove is... Yeah, now it just smells like alcohol, right? Okay, guys, we'll be back.
In a few.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello again. We are ready to put the top on this. So I'm going to start with the natural batter.
Yes, a natural batter.
And by the way, I don't, with my cucumbers, I always peel them because I'm not one that really likes, like, the speckles.
Yeah.
And there are some soapers like the speckles of the skin. I do not. I am not one of those soapers.
They are
Let's hope I don't get the
gross.
bottom of this bucket in this one, right? Because I got the bottom of the bucket in this before. Remember?
I don't even know what it looks like when you leave the thing in there.
Leave what thing in there?
The skin.
Oh yeah, it's speckles. It's got like little green speckles because they don't totally dissolve like. And I even de-seed my cucumbers. We're gonna need 2 spoons. Sorry, reaching over you guys. Oh, one more. I'm reaching over you. All right, let me put.
The spoon.
Yeah, let me just put a little. This is a little bit runny, so.
Ooh, so I'll just be using this.
Yep. And if we make a mess, that's the way to soap. You're not soaping right if you're not making a mess.
Or I mean, some people don't make a mess and they're soaping. Right?
Yeah, I don't know too many people who don't make messes when they're soaping. It's really hard not to make a mess when you're soaping. You know, it almost feels like that green tea has
That's gonna do it?
Yes, it has an exfoliant to it. It almost feels a little gritty, which is interesting because, like I said, I've never worked with it before.
Yeah. Just never done it in all for soapy years.
Yep, in all of my soaping years.
I said soapy.
Soapy years?
Soapy years.
You're too cute.
We still haven't showed them my pumpkins.
I know, we're going to do they'll have seen your pumpkins by now because we're gonna show them with the cutting of Black Magic Woman. Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So they'll have seen them already, and they'll be able to comment how beautiful your pumpkins are.
Ooh, and my ring. Maybe.
Yes, we can show them your ring too. She made a soap dough ring too.
And donut.
And she painted it with mica and alcohol. Here, let me get out of your way so you can get on the other side of that. You're good.
I don't really think I have that much left.
I can scrape it out. Trust me, there's a lot in there. But Mimi's just a big scraper. Everybody knows that. Everybody who is watching knows that I'm a big scraper.
Yeah, because they have watched your videos and I have not.
Yes.
But I do watch YouTube.
Yes. Well, you should subscribe because you're going to be able to see yourself on YouTube.
Why do you forget to say that?
What?
So
to say to the people to subscribe?
and
Because I don't do this. I don't do this for glamour or fame, honey. I do this because I love to soap. And I love to help people who need help with soaping, like new people that are starting to soap.
Yeah.
And I do it for you guys, for my grandchildren.
Now I can watch
because
your
you guys, if anything ever happened to me, that you would still have all these videos to watch and be able to watch me do what I love to do. So it's mostly for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to sort of spread it to the corners.
That looks like my hand is actually fitting.
Yeah.
Baby. I don't know.
Okay, they got to watch the soap, baby.
Yeah.
So we're just going to move this all around like we
Can
did.
I try?
Yeah. We're just going to, we got to make sure it gets to the corners. Like over here.
Can we do a little swirl?
We got to spread more over here. What?
Can we do a little swirl?
Like a little swirl on the top?
Ta-da. Ta-da.
Yep, we can. Ooh, this is falling. That activated charcoal is very thin. We may have to spray this with some alcohol and go back after it. And this side does not have as much like soap. How
Oh,
did
my
that
swirls
happen?
are getting ruined.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. I'm just trying to keep it off the sides.
Oh.
Your swirls look very nice, though. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm going to spray this side of it. Watch your face, baby. Because this is falling off. You see that?
Oh, no.
That activated charcoal is really, really thin. Look at us, guys.
Yeah,
Having a fun time. Having a fun time.
No. She said she would give me something that way. I would make soap in my new room, but...
Yeah, I'm going to make you some melt imported
yeah.
soap. Yep.
So I'm going to have, like, something to watch her videos in.
Yep.
Do you put it on kids' YouTube, too, or do you just...
No, I do not. It's
Yeah.
not, but you can. Your mom will let you watch the videos, baby,
Yeah.
because they're not. I put them that they're not for kids because soap making can be dangerous, and I don't want kids to do it unattended by adults.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
So if you're a kid, you had to be watched by a grown-up.
Right, exactly, because this can burn you really, really bad.
So
Trust me, I know. When I first started soaping, woo-wee.
So do not do this at home unless you're with a grown-up.
That's right. That is right. I think we're all good. We're going to have to take the potato peeler to this one, too, because of the edges, but we'll be okay.
Even a teenager...
All right, you want to spray it?
Yeah, sure.
Alrighty.
Even a teenager should have some help.
Probably. Here, let me take your spoon. There you go.
Ah.
And I'm going to give you some paper towel for after you're done with that. We're going to have to, in 5 minutes from now, we're going to have to spray that again. You know why? Because there's activated charcoal on the top.
So what do I do?
No, I want you to wipe your hands off with that before you take your gloves off. Okay, guys, we will see you in 18 to 24 hours.
Yes, we will. Yes,
Okay.
we will.
Let me get back there, baby, so I can turn it off.
Bye-bye.
Okay, hi guys. Evie and I are back now. With the green tea, we don't know if it's green or not, do we? Yeah, we don't know if it's green or not. So we're about to find out if this is green. And I did find my French green clay.
It is not green.
Well, it looks a little brown on the top, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But it may still change to green if it's not green. I don't know. We're going to see. Oh, it does look, well, it kind of looks like a brown green.
It looks like a poop green.
It looks... Evie! Well, I guess you're not wrong. Evie, you crack me up.
Well, it's true.
It is. Okay, guys, so we got a poop green. Oh, look, that's better green. That's better.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, that's better than the first bar.
Yeah,
Okay.
that looks like poop green.
Yeah, oh my goodness, you're a dork. Oh my goodness.
Don't worry, everybody calls me that.
What? A dork? That's alright, we're all dorks in this family.
In the fall.
Trust me, ask any of my subscribers, they'll tell you I'm a dork. Oh, wait till you see this bar. You did a fantastic job swirling that. Look at that awesome job you did, Evelyn. You did a great job, Evie. Oops, sorry, honey, I didn't mean to just elbow you. Oh, there's my dishwasher, guys. Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, we wanted to get this soap cut before, while everybody was still outside, and we didn't have a whole bunch of ruckus in the house.
And look at Jonathan.
Yeah, well.
Well, we don't want to.
Yeah, we're not talking about your brother. Your brother is misbehaving like crazy today.
Yes. And I'm the good child.
You are the good child.
At my house, Jonathan is like
Yeah.
not listening, and I'm like the good child.
Yeah, well, keep being the good child, because then your parents don't have to worry about you so much.
And they have
And go to
worry about
college.
Jonathan.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Let's see, a babysitter.
A babysitter? Oh, so you want to be a nanny? That's what they call grown-up babysitters. They call them nannies.
Well,
You want to work for...
because I love kids.
Yeah, I know you love kids. You're really good with Malia. Malia really likes you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, Malia definitely likes you. And Alex likes you, too.
Alex.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Amber's son? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Evie, this is so beautiful. You did such a great job. We're going to have to bring your mom down here and show her what a great job you did swirling this. With no fear, my love.
What?
Were you guys so impressed how much little fear this child had with making soap? She was ready.
I was 0.
Yeah, you had 0 fear for sure.
And remember, I went through a horrid maze and everybody was like scared.
Oh, you mean on the zombie game?
No, in the haunted maze.
Oh, in the haunted maze. Yeah, that's right. She went through a haunted maze, I guess, back home in Idaho.
And I was not scared.
Yeah, and she was not scared. And
At
everybody else,
all.
even the adults, she said, were scared. But she wasn't
Except for my
scared.
Uncle Josh.
Oh, except for your Uncle Josh.
And my sister Kaylee or Harley jumped and hit the ground on the
Really? So how many pieces do we have? 2, 4, 6, 8,
And they
9.
were teenagers, except Harley. She was like a teen.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to cut a small end piece off of this, and then we'll be all done. There we
I
go.
had to cut those two right now.
There we go. And this one doesn't really have a whole lot right there. But, look at that. I mean, that is so pretty. Look at that swirl. That is so pretty. You did a great job, my love. All right, guys. Thanks as always for joining me and my special guest, Evie. And I will see you guys probably next Friday. So, bye-bye.
Oh, and one more thing. I'm
What?
going to leave in
Yes.
2 days.
Yeah, you're leaving in 2 days. But that's all right. I'll make sure to text your mom when this gets posted, okay?
Yeah, and I'll have my own bedroom when I get back.
Yes, you will. Okay, can I say goodbye to everybody?
Bye.
You want to say goodbye to everybody again? All right, bye, guys.